You need to install joints on a lead roof to help to reduce the size of the lead panels. This helps to accommodate the thermal expansion and contraction that occurs with lead. Different types of detail are available to allow this to happen, including wood-cored rolls. Wood-cored rolls are typically used on a flat roof where there is general foot traffic, as the wood rolls help to support the shape of the joint. Lead on a roof has a fixed end and a free end, with the wood roll providing a detail where adjacent sheets overlap each other and allowing them to move easily. When applying joints such as wood-cored rolls, you can use either bossing or welding to help form the detail. In this example, bossing is used. Mark the first sheet of lead, allowing for a drip in the wood roll, and cut it to size. Shape the section and allow the lead to clear a wood roll which it is being dressed over and fixed to. Place the lead onto the roof. Dress it so that the lead fits lightly to the drip and over the wood roll, and nail the top third of the sheet length using copper or stainless steel nails. Check the dimensions of the adjacent sheet and cut it to suit. Dress the lead over the wood roll end, ensuring that you don't stretch it, but fitting it tightly over the adjacent sheet that you've just fixed. With both sections in place and the lead fully dressed over the rolls, mark and trim the lead to provide a consistent detail at the joint, placing a metal plate under the lead as you're cutting it to avoid puncturing the sheet below. Welts are simple joints which are placed on inclined roofs where there is little or no foot traffic. The sheets are buttered and folded together. Mark the sheets so that you have a 25mm undercloak on one side of the welt and a 50mm overcloak on the other, and bend the sheets with timber to provide clean, straight 90-degree bends. A stainless steel or copper fixing is folded into a small right-angled bracket and is then fixed with copper or stainless steel nails to the shorter leg of the welt on the roof structure. The free end of the joint is then buttered up against it. The welt is folded over using a flat dresser so that the lead is dressed and flush with the roof whilst allowing for expansion and contraction. Hollow cord rolls should only be used on inclined roofs where there is no traffic. They mirror the detail of wood cord rolls, so cut and mark the sheets of lead, forming a free and fixed edge. The stainless steel or copper fixings need to be slightly bigger than that used in a welt and should be either S or Z shaped. They are then fixed on the shorter leg of the joint. As you would with a welt, fold the lead of the free end over the fixed end and use a tube to help form the shape of the hollow roll. In this example, it's a 50mm plastic waste pipe. The overcloak is welted over the undercloak and dressed over the pipe. Finally, remove the pipe and position the hollow roll so that there is a clearance of 10mm from the top of the roof surface to the turned end of the roll.